Here we are.
In St. Martin.
St. Martin.
Yeah, beautiful weather.
Yeah, it is. It's beautiful out
You
here.
can see how
Not
beautiful
too
the
hot.
water is behind us. It's so pretty.
It is pretty.
Beautiful. Makes me want to jump in.
Yeah, next to this monstrosity.
My kind.
Yep. All right, so anyway, so we're going to get off here shortly. We'll bring that to you. Probably just going to walk around the port a little bit. We're going to go to the beach, but we decided not to. Anyway, so we'll see you when we get off the ship in about 3, 2, 1.
To a special diamond dinner up on deck 5. It's special only for diamonds on this cruise. They've had it for 5 or 6 nights, and tonight's the night we got invited.
There's 1,200 diamond members on here.
So here we go. We'll tell you what it's like.
All right, so we're going to the Fresco Dinner,
That's
which
what
is
it's called.
They do it like right in the main pool area.
We'll show you.
We'll show you.
Okay.
I'll bring that to you right about
Now.
now. Terry got the Cobb salad, and I got the stuffed mushrooms. Alright, Terry got spaghetti and meatballs. I got
Here you go.
nothing. Well, okay, now I do. Pork chop.
This is
And I'm very jealous I didn't get the spaghetti because I love spaghetti. Oh, that's a new trick. between the noise.
We're excited about a really good band playing tonight. They just played Feel Like It. We're getting ready to close out the night. And we had a great day in St. Martin. It's been a fun day. We played dominoes a lot this afternoon. It was a lot of fun. We lost. Yeah. So, but tonight we're just closing out because we had a great day.
Why do we drink those?
Chocolate martinis are so good.
They're so good. They're so
You should
strong.
try them. They're the best.
You should. Do
They're better
one of
than
these before you go to bed.
They're better than
Just
dessert.
sleep like a baby. So anyway, she's going to bed.
So good.
You know where I'm going. To bed. Whatever she says. All right, we'll see you in the casino.
Night night.
Night night. Oh, by the way, tomorrow, Tortola. We already told you that.
We'll be there.
All right, we'll be there at Orby Square.
Bye bye.